Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into the class's app with the account tied to your courses, because accurate access prevents sync issues. Once signed in, navigate to the semester view and immediately choose Enroll or Join Class using the code provided by your instructor. Make sure to confirm meeting times and enable notifications so you don't miss live sessions. This first step sets up all subsequent workflows and keeps your schedule consistent. Now organize each course so you can work efficiently. Create folders or tabs per class and sync them to your calendar for all deadlines. Once done, set assignment reminders and label tasks by priority because tracking makes progress visible and actionable. Make sure to adjust notification levels. Too many alerts distract, too few cause missed items, and download essential materials for offline study. This keeps you productive on the go and prevents last-minute scrambling during busy weeks. To finish, submit your assignments and confirm each upload succeeded. You should see a receipt or status indicator so you know it posted. After submissions, review instructor feedback and grades and archive completed modules to keep the app tidy. If something goes wrong, first retry the upload and check your connection, then clear the app cache and restart. If the problem persists, gather screenshots and contact support. This sequence ensures completion and gives you a clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.